Hey guys, we're unboxing 6 new Key Fobs. This is probably my biggest lot so far I've gotten. A few interesting keys. There's like 6 in here. I'll wrap in this napkin for you. Okay. Alright, this first one is for 2010 Volkswagen Routan. Lock, unlock, and panic. And you have your spare key in here. I got this lot for 55 bucks. I plan on flipping one of the keys. You see this is a Volkswagen logo. So, what's weird is that this minivan is a Chrysler Town & Country, and it's a Volkswagen key, but it's shaped like Chrysler, which is extremely bizarre. Alright, this next one. It's kind of hard to open in the view. It's hard to get a good view. This one is for a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a smart key. Lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. Push this button. Here's a spare Hyundai logo. It's a very nice key. Very cool design. Sorry about the noise. It's kind of weird to see it in like this paper towel design packaging. Alright, this is a Ford key. It's either for an Explorer or an Escape. Next one has a tag, I think. This is a 2021 Ford Escape wagon. It's actually an SUV. Lock, unlock, remote start, trunk, and panic. This is the 2021 Escape. And I'm not sure how you open it. You push this button, and that's how you access the key. Here's a spare cutout. This is the 2021 Escape. This one is for a 2021 Explorer. Lock, unlock, remote start, trunk, and panic. It's the exact same key, just different models. Alright. Let's this last thing open. This one is a 2020 Kia Forte flip key. 2019, 2021, the two flips nicely. There's a sticker on it. Kind of coming off. Lock, unlock. Here's the light. Trunk and panic. Very nice flip. And the last one. Alright. There we go. This is the last key. This is a 2016 Ford Explorer Silver. Smart key. You have lock, unlock, remote start, trunk, and panic. The buttons do feel kind of cheap. I'm not the biggest fan. And the cutout, you push this lever, and I believe you have access to the spare I'm not sure how you get the spare. You can just put it out or something. So, those are my new key fobs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.